Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Today, I've got something really interesting to show you, the 2026 BMW X1. It's BMW's compact SUV, designed to give you much of the luxury, performance, and technology of BMW's larger models, but in a smaller, more city-friendly package. The 2026 BMW X1 continues with the current generation, often called the U11, design language. It showcases a robust, modern exterior, strong character lines, a bold kidney grille, sharp LED lighting, and muscular wheel arches. One of the first things you notice is the large, sleek front grille and the way the LED headlights integrate with sculpted surfaces. BMW has made sure it looks premium even from a distance. The profile is compact but not cramped. The X1 gives a sense of presence with its width and height, around 177.2 inches long, 82.8 inches wide, mirrors, in some specifications, and height roughly 64.6 inches. Wheel options are plentiful, even in base trims you get decent alloy wheels. Higher trims or the M Sport package offer more aggressive wheel styles, performance tires, and Coachr's trim. Exterior features include standard all-wheel drive, BMW xDrive, privacy glass, roof rails, power liftgate/trunk release, optional panoramic moonroof, optional rear spoiler. The xDrive 28i trim with more options can go higher. The sportier M35i trim starts near $51,900 $53075 MSRP, depending on options, packages, and region. Inside, BMW has really upgraded the X1's cabin to feel more premium. There's what BMW calls the curved display setup, which integrates a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster with a 10.7-inch infotainment screen. They're positioned under a single sweeping glass panel. The software driving the interface is BMW's latest iDrive 9. It supports over-the-air, OTA, updates, customizable widgets on the screen, voice commands. Connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, etc. are standard. High trims offer more: premium sound system, Harman Kardon, wireless charging pad, optional head-up display. Materials are high quality. Depending on the trim you can get Vernasca leather or Sensitech upholstery, open-pore wood or textured metal or eucalyptus wood trims. Ambient lighting enhances the cabin feel. Seating comfort, heated front seats are standard, with options for power seats and lumbar adjustment. Rear seats are split folding, allowing flexibility for cargo. Legroom in back is good for the class. Under the hood, the 2026 X1 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine in all trims, in the main gasoline/performance versions. xDrive 28i, the more everyday version. It delivers about 241 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. M35i, for those who want more sporty performance. It bumps horsepower to around 312 to 313 horsepower, with the same torque number, is almost equal to 295 lb-ft. Acceleration is noticeably quicker. Transmission is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, which gives quick shifts and helps with sporty responsiveness, and standard AWD, all-wheel drive, via BMW's xDrive system. Transmission is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, which gives quick shifts and helps with sporty responsiveness, and standard AWD, all-wheel drive, via BMW's xDrive system. The base trims give a comfortable ride. BMW offers drive mode selection so you can toggle between comfort and sport. Luxury in compact form. One of the biggest things the X1 does well is to bring premium touches that you'd normally expect in larger, more expensive SUVs, into a smaller, more manageable package. Whether it's the curved digital display, leather/premium materials, or ambient lighting, it feels luxurious without being overwhelming. It's hard to beat what BMW is offering here in the compact class. The 2026 X1 manages to give you a lot of what people love about BMW's style, performance, tech, in a size that works for everyday life. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.